Yo, it's your boy. I want it for free, and today I'll show you guys how to get Audacity for free. First thing you need to do is go Google, write Audacity, download the first link, then press on the Audacity for Windows. Now go down and click on Audacity 2.3.3 installer, and go down, then click on Audacity Windows installer. Now it's gonna be downloading here. Once it's done, click on it, press S, then choose English, press OK, press next. Now choose what drive you want it to install it to. I'm going to choose C drive and press next, and create the desktop shortcut. You have to tick on that box and click next, then press install. It's going to take a few minutes to the file to extract. There you go, it's done. Finish, launch. There you go, Audacity is done, downloaded, installed, and yeah, now you can start recording your music and everything. So that's it for this video. Peace out. Please subscribe, like, comment, and peace out, guys.